Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video of the spy Phantom prints that were filled this week between October 23rd and October 27th. So last week, price was coming from just filling a highly unusual Phantom print at 424.92. This was highly unusual because it had a 500K volume. Just below that, there was another high volume print at 420 with a volume of 200K. This was filled on Monday morning, and there was some downside slippage to the 418 area. On October 4th, there were 222 Phantom prints between 418.80 and 419.67. All of these filled the morning that they hit, except for two prints at 418.80. So these were filled on Monday morning, as well as prints from June, also in that 418 area. Once price reclaimed the 420 level, there was a good bounce towards this 424 Phantom print, and we can see this was just a good support and resistance zone overall. And then on Wednesday, there was a pre-market print for 419.58. This caused the 420 support to break. And typically when a print hits the tape in pre-market that isn't too far away from current trading price, it can be considered a good target to fill. And when this hit the tape, price was trading around the 422 area, and the trends were becoming bearish at the time, so this was a good target for us. And then later in the day, there was a new print for 418.17, and the spot and strike price difference wasn't large, but it was helpful to stick with the bearish narrative and try not to bounce it yet. And then later, late afternoon on Wednesday, there was a new print for 300K at 410. To me, this created a strong downside magnet, and we can see that this overall downtrend continued until we filled it. And then let's go to Thursday. So on Thursday morning, there was a Phantom print from June that was filled, and this was at 414.05. This acted as really good support in pre-market, and we can see that price bounced towards the 417 area, and then it was retested later in the day and support broke. At the time, there was just a 411.24 print down here and then that 410. This 411.11 print didn't hit until later on, and it looked like price was going to fill that, but it didn't. So the next day, we came down to it and we filled the 411.11 print also, and then finally the 300K. So this 411.24, just wanted to note on, it hit the tape several different times on October 2nd, August 21st, July 10th, June 6th, and June 12th. So this was a repeat hitter. And then finally, we saw that the 300K filled. And overall, if you just wanted to simplify things, these high volume prints could be great as market over-unders. And you can see I made these lines dashed to make it look a little better. And you can see we broke the support here, came down to this one, reclaimed it, bounced up to this one, and then finally, once this one broke and we had a new open downside magnet, we came down to it and we filled it. So there's several different ways to use these Phantom prints and simplify it or make it as in depth as you want to. But I just wanted to review this week and it was a great week. So congrats if you capitalized on this, and even if you just learned, it was a great week. Thanks, guys.